Can you guess what this is? Stay tuned to find out.
It's draw time with Mr. Mayberry. Time to draw.
It's Winter Bird Week.
Welcome to Draw Time with Mr. Mayberry. It's Winter Bird Week on Draw Time, so we're drawing things that have to do with winter birds. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a bird feeder. So let's get started. It's time to draw.
Okay, starting with my paper vertical, and I'm just using a regular pencil to draw. And I'm going to start right here in the middle of the page with a parallelogram. And I draw a slanted line here, then I'm going to draw two horizontal lines that are parallel. And then another line that's parallel to this first one on this other side. And it's wider than it is tall. This is going to be part of the roof of this bird feeder. And then on the other side I'm going to draw, right here I'm going to draw the other side of the roof. And I want this to come down not quite as far as this one, because it's going farther away from us. Okay, I'm going to add some thickness to the edge here. Just a second line that follows the first. And then I want to make a line that slants, just a short line there, and one down in this corner. And I want to make a short slanting line here, and then show this edge right here. Just draw a line that goes the same direction as this one right above it. That makes it look more like a board instead of just a flat piece of paper. Okay, let's start on this side right here. I'm going to come up from the end just a little bit and slant down at an angle. And then the same thing over here. Now this one's not going to be quite as long because it's going further away from us. I'm going to have the bottom edge slanted here. It's a different angle than what I have here, but it goes back just like that. Then I'm going to go to the other side of the feeder and make it have the same angle as this one here. So this can be parallel with that one. Come in from the edge because there's a little bit of an overhang, and then make the line slant like that. Okay, I want to extend this line here. It's going the same angle that it was there. And then I want to come up here and start at this line and make a line that's parallel with that one. And then right here I want to make a vertical line, short vertical line. Okay, then I'm going to go from this corner, and I'm making a line that's horizontal, and it should be parallel with these two that we've done above. You could use a ruler for all this, but I'm just using my eye and kind of drawing it the best I can tell just by looking. Okay, I'm going to erase this side here because what I'm going to do is there's a piece that's coming out here at the bottom, and this is where the birdseed is inside, and it filters out here underneath so the birds can eat it on this little ledge right here. So I'm going to make two more lines that are parallel here. This is going to go further out on the end, and then this one underneath it is going to be the same length, just like that. Now before I finish these off, I want to draw this line that it's going to be going the same direction as this slanted line right here, over here. So slant that out from the corner where this line and this line intersect right in here. It's going to slant out. And then at the end of that is where it's going to be vertical. And I just mine lined up just right with it, so it turned out great. There, Didn't have to make a lot of change to that. Okay, just cleaning that up a bit. Okay, I want to make it look like this actually goes down in just a little. I'm going to put a line inside of this to show the inside edge. And go back here like this on either side. And then right in here I want to make it look like this is birdseed. So I'm just going to make kind of a cloud curve line here. This is where it's filling this tray right here. So I'll make a couple rows of just kind of curved lines. It actually comes out from under here. You might do a little shading under this line just to show that that goes back in a little ways under there. And that's where the birdseed comes out. And a lot of times on these type of feeders, you will see there'll be a clear glass here or plastic, so you can see how much birdseed is in there, whether or not you need to fill it or whatever. So I'm going to draw another line above here, and then one that goes up this direction, same as this one, and one on the other side. And so this is our clear plastic, so inside we see birdseed inside of there. Now I'm going to go back and shade this birdseed in so you can tell it's different from the feeder. You might want to add color to this, and there's a lot of, you could probably a yellowish color for the birdseed, maybe a little flecks of brown in there, and whatever color you would want for the feeder if you're using color. Okay, one more thing. We're going to make it look like this is hanging from a tree. So I'm going to go up here and make a loop right here, just a ring, like an eye bolt that's attached to the feeder. I'm just doing one in the center. You could do one on either end if you'd like, but I like the look of one here in the center. And then I'm going to draw a line up here. This is for rope or wire or whatever it's hanging, used to hang it. And then up above, I'm just going to give you an idea of what it would look like hanging from a branch. So I'm going to draw two lines right across here to represent a branch. It could also be a pole. And then I want to make a line that curves right here to show that this is tied onto this branch or this pole. It's fastened onto that. Okay, one more thing. I'd like to put a horizon line so it looks like this is somewhere. And you could, of course, do more details around. You could add birds to your picture. Go ahead and clean up your drawing, add color if you'd like. And this is our drawing for today, a bird feeder.
Well, that's all for now. Thank you for taking time to draw with me. I hope you'll come back again, and remember, if you want to be a good artist, do a little drawing every day. Brr. If you're wondering what this is, it's a close-up picture of birdseed. Well, thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you next time.